did mine right.
That's so cute.
I did mine right. Oh, come on, not that. Guys, I think Orange was taking that. Guys, I think
Oh, here
Orange
comes
was taking
Shadow.
like blue. Okay,
It's all right. She can't get you in there. I love it.
No one was following.
Hannah, stay back.
I have to do things.
Let's see if Shadow's gonna go in. Oh, Courtney. She just went right through a hoop.
Red! It's not red. Yep, it's not
Look,
red.
they're both in there, Courtney. Courtney. Courtney.
Hi, Kitty. Kitty, get off the way. I think it's orange.
I think so too.
I think it's you. I think it's orange too.
Look, 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 look. Look, she's going through the hoop.
That wasn't me who bought for you.
No, she did. He did because he went through it once.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got it on tape.
You were the imposter. No one did it. Well, they wanted. We got the imposter. We win. Let's try this game.
He's like, oh, I like that bath. Keeps going back over now.
Yeah.
He's very interested in those hoops.
Yellow. Wait, Emily, you can change your color.
Yeah. Aww.
Hey, Emily, can I follow you?
Why do you want to follow?
Because
Lightning, you're so cute. You love that bath. He keeps going back over there now. He keeps going back over there now.
yeah, it's so cute.
And back to the hoop again. I saw him get, I think he went through one.
We were all together.
I'll have to look back at the tape again.
And I don't think you're it, Emily.
See?
Wow.
I told you.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's orange. I think it's orange. Me too.
Ginny.
I think it's light blue also, but I kind of think it's
Hey,
orange.
Matthew.
It's orange though. It's gonna be orange. Yeah, orange is orange. Me too.
They're so fun to watch with all those toys.
Yeah.
Like Lightning is just starting to come around to the toys and wanting to check them out more.
Yeah.
He wasn't really doing much with them until after her Shadow got in there.
Uh-huh.
Everyone voted white blue.
He's determined to get through that.
I knew it might not. It's just, people are supposed to vote if they are dead. But sometimes the imposters do that too, to make it look like they're normal people.
Oh, there he goes back in the tap again.
That's so funny. Emily, I'm in this room. Wait, Emily.
He
where
likes
are
that
you?
bath, huh?
Green?
Emily, where are you? Where did you go?
Green is
You like watching the birdies?
What? The kids are like, whoa, right just got in the bird bath. A green is not the on top.
The kittens like the bird bath too.
The kid.
Woo!
Who?
The kittens like the bird bath too. When I set it down, when I took it off and set it down and everything, they were looking in there and trying to drink the water.